I had a small problem with this garage opener. It's another model. The light, side lights will flicker or wouldn't work, would not work at all. So right now this one is fixed. It's working properly. So I'm working on the second one. What I realized first, undo the plug so you turn the power off so you don't get a shock. And what I realized is at the bottom here, the small contact, the metal one at the bottom, but even the side one, they got a lot of rust and corrosion on it. So what you may want to do is simply get a piece of sandpaper. I use a pen. I didn't set it at the bottom. I cannot do it with one hand, but just try to clean that contact there until it looks nice and shiny. And also you may want to use maybe a flat screwdriver, insert it there, and try to lift a little bit that contact. Oops, there goes my pen. So try to, right now the power is off, try to lift that contact a little bit so it touches better. And finally, you notice this one had used regular normal bulbs, light bulbs, but the old ones, the halogen with the filament. So it warms up, and I think there's also an electric board behind. So that's really bad. What you want to do is those replaced by those LEDs. And sometimes they got a thick bottom here, and it's perhaps one of the reasons they don't properly insert fully and touch the contact properly. So that's why you want to lift a little bit that bottom metal tab, not too much, and don't move it too much because it breaks. And this way you will touch it, and when you feel, as you screw the bolt down, when you feel it touches that metal, stop. Don't screw more than that, and it should be working properly. And again, these LEDs, they don't put out heat, so you won't warm up here at the side. So they are really a definite better option.